Okay, this is case number 411-859-1275. Seeing there's no audio and video connected to this television over here. Gonna go ahead and show that the unit does work. Okay. Put in Monsters vs. Alien. Okay. You can see on the time is ticking. Go ahead. As you can see, we are getting audio and video. The unit is working. We have it connected with HDMI, and as you can see, it does work.
Hey, Jerry, you might want to check this one out. Palomar just picked it up. Looks like some type of UFO, and it's heading this way.
How many times do I have to tell you this? UFOs don't exist, and we're never going to see them.
Wow, this energy signature is massive.
Holy Cheez-Its! What do we do? No one ever told us what to do. The only reason I took the job is because you never have to do anything!
Jerry, stop it. We calculate its impact point. Looks like Modesto, California.
Supernova, this is Red Dwarf. We actually have one. Code Nimoy. I repeat, Code Nimoy!
guys doing here? It's 5 o'clock in the morning. Hurry, turn on the TV, turn it on now!
And some early morning fog giving way to sunny skies. 75 degrees. A perfect day to stop by the old folk art and craft show down at the fairgrounds. Or a perfect day to marry Susan Murphy. I love you, baby.
I love you too. Aww. Aww.
And good morning, Modesto. Channel 172.
Go ahead and fast forward just to make sure.
Wow, you look beautiful.
So do you. I mean, handsome. I mean, sorry, I'm just a little frazzled. I just been way too...
Susan! Where could she be? Susan! Where are you?
I order pot.
Honey, could you hit the snooze? Baby, why'd you set the alarm? We're on our honeymoon. Hello? What's going on?
Jane and Joe public could not handle the truth about monsters. They should focus on more important things like paying taxes. So the government convinced the world monsters were stuff of myth and legend, and then locked them away in this here.
This is the video of it showing that it works, that there's no problem with it.
But I'm not a monster. I'm just a regular person. I'm not a danger to anyone or anything.
Oh, better get me.
Sorry.
That's it, showing that it works. Case number 411.
How long will I be here?
859-1275.
Can I contact my parents?
No.